What up, what up, what up, everybody? How's it going? Alright, so found a deal for you guys. I ended up picking up a couple items from International Tool. Just figured I would also show you guys. So they are doing some deals right now. Today is April 21st. It's Wednesday, 2021. They're $100 off string trimmer kit plus edger attachment. They have one $200 off purchase of pole saw kit. And they have the choose 2 for $400, which is a nice little kit option. And this is the one I chose. So you can get two 18-inch or two 16-inch chainsaws for Milwaukee, $300 each. Ends up being $600, and what they do is they drop off $200, so you end up paying $400 for both. They do it for the fuel trimmer kit with quick lock attachment capable, which is the 2825-21ST. Comes with a battery and a charger, and then the string trimmer quick lock. They have it for the blower as well, which the blower I would say is not the best portion of that deal, but the blower does come with a battery and a charger. It's the 272421HD. So I'm assuming it's a 8 amp hour or a 6 amp hour high output. I don't think that one is a 12. Bag kit, no, it's a 9. It comes with a 9 amp hour, so it's not too bad of a deal. If you need the blower, which I would assume that the string trimmer comes with a 9 as well. What I picked up was the SwitchTank. Got 2 of them. Home Depot is doing a deal where it'd be easier just to show you guys. Open a new tab. HomeDepot.com. So if you look up Milwaukee SwitchTank, so SwitchTank by itself with no batteries, $299. $149 for a 4-gallon tank by itself. They have the string or the hedge, regular old style hedge trimmer and a SwitchTank for $368. They have the blower and the SwitchTank for $358. And they have this kit where you get a battery, a charger, one complete unit, and an extra tank for $529. I was originally looking at this $429 kit right here, which is a complete kit with the backpack. Just doesn't come with a battery, and then you get an extra tank for $429. And then you can get 2 complete kits from Home Depot for $498. And if you look at this deal that I'm showing from International Tools, you actually get these 2, this $498 one, you get for $400 flat. And I'll show you guys. We'll go back to International Tool. So it's $300. You add 1 to the cart. Continue. Add 1 more to the cart. And view cart. And International Tool is throwing in leather performance gloves. Extra large gloves for free, which is nice also. Oh, I already had 2 in the cart. 2. So exit that out. And you can swap. You don't have to get 2 of the same thing, but this is a good deal because there usually isn't a deal on the SwitchTanks. There's hardly ever a deal on the SwitchTank. View cart. So you get the gloves for free. SwitchTanks, $300 each, $600 for 2. And then a minus $200. So it comes out to $400. And mine was like $407 It was really not that bad at all. Ships in 7 to 10 days, which, you know, for the shipping, that's not too bad. You can switch it up if you want to, but, you know, just think about this at Home Depot. These two of these SwitchTanks, complete SwitchTank setups, was $498. You're getting them for $400. So and at Home Depot, there's tax. So if you got 2 of these, usually there'd be about $20 to $30 tax per unit. So you'd be looking at somewhere around, if you got this kit from Home Depot, you'd probably be looking at somewhere in the range of just this dual kit right here. Probably somewhere in the range of about $580. View cart. Probably have something in the cart. Oh, yeah. Remove. There's another deal I showed you guys. Sorry about that. But you do get $100 off for the Pro Extra. So $498. Not really sure why it's showing Pro Extra savings. Subtotal's $598, which is odd. $498. Was $598. Maybe they're applying a discount. Let me remove this one and we'll try it again. I was originally looking at this one though, the $429. Add to cart. See if it's actually, if International Tool is a better deal. I already purchased mine from International Tool. Pro Extra savings. So they're just applying $100 off based off the 17% savings. So it's International Tool is still a better deal. Let's see what it is at checkout. It's $45 in sales tax from Home Depot. So you're looking at $543 from Home Depot for those two. When you get it from International Tool, you're getting them both for $407. So you're literally saving $138 difference between the two places. So that's definitely why it's a better deal from International Tool. Because when I look at my receipt, it was $407. And you can do this with 2 different tools. It doesn't have to be 2 SwitchTanks. If you need 2 chainsaws, you could do the same thing. If you want 2 string trimmer kits, you can do the same thing. Or 2 blower kits, you can do the same thing. Or you can mix match if you want a chainsaw and the SwitchTank, for an example. Or the chainsaw and this trimmer kit. It is a little bit nicer deal that the trimmer kit comes with a battery and the blower comes with a battery, so you might want to go that route if you're getting a 9 amp hour battery. So what does the trimmer come with? Does the trimmer come with a 9 as well? Trimmer's coming with a high output 8. So the blower's coming with an HD 9.0, and the string trimmer, quick lock trimmer, is coming with a high output 8.0. So that's actually a pretty good deal. You're getting a $150 battery, plus the trimmer, plus a charger. So that might be the better way to go. So view cart. So string trimmer is $300. Chainsaw is $300 minus $200. It's $400. So you end up getting a pair of gloves for free. You get the string trimmer with an high output 8.0, and you're getting a 16-inch chainsaw bare tool for $400. It's actually a pretty good deal. Subtotal $600. And then when you go through the pricing, when you order, it will be a little more. As an example, I go to my email. This is one of my orders. 2 4-gallon backpack sprayer, tool only. Gloves, 1. And then if I go to back to international tool, per order history, because I'm logged in. I was logged in. Order history. It's not showing any of my order history other than this one for some reason. Showing $207.99 is the total. But it's not. It's $407.99. So $24.97 for the gloves are free. Free shipping on both the backpacks. They were $600. Makes them $204 a piece. So $216.98 worth of savings. $407.99. It's a great deal, to be honest with you guys. If you go the route of getting the items that come with the batteries, if you don't have any batteries, it's an awesome deal that direction as well. But you can mix match these, no problem at all. So we'll show another one real quick. Go back to the front page promo. Click on this one right here. So if you grab the string trimmer kit and then the blower, you end up with a blower, the string trimmer, an 8 amp hour and a 9 amp hour, 2 chargers, and get a free pair of extra large gloves. $600, gets $200 in savings, comes out to $400. So $407, so it's $207 a piece. Comes out to, you end up saving $216 in the end. And you're getting 2 batteries, 2 chargers, 2 different tools. That'll get you started in the outdoor line, the OPE line. I have the other tools. That's why I grabbed 2 switch tanks. One so my wife can use one for fertilizing her plants, and the other one I can use for weed killer. And then I can always pick up the separate tanks separately. $150, you know, just to buy the tank on its own. So we'll have 2 different power units. But I just wanted to share the deal with you guys. It's a pretty good deal. I'm thinking about getting the 2 of the chainsaws and selling one of them, you know, for this price. You know, the chainsaws, most of these items are $299 bare tool. So the chainsaw by itself is $299. You sometimes can get a deal where you get a battery with it for $299, which doesn't happen very often. The blower is usually $199, but because it comes with a 9 amp hour battery, that's not a bad deal for $200 for the tool kit. It's basically $199. It's not bad. The switch tank is normally $299 bare tool with no battery or anything. So it's basically they tack on $1 and then they take off $100 for each. It's a pretty good deal. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!